popping.
Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm showing you how I made this popcorn with my pots at home using just this popcorn kernel, 1/3 cup of it, and vegetable oil, just a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and half a teaspoon of salt. And this is very simple to make. All I do is to add the tablespoon of vegetable oil into my dry pot, and once it heats up a bit, I add the salt, pour in the corn, stir it properly so that it can mix with the oil and the salt. And then once it starts popping, I cover the pot and allow it to pop all. I shake it at intervals so that all the corn can get popped. Keep watching. I hope you enjoy it. And when it stops popping, you know that all the kernels have popped. Allow it for some seconds before you open the pot. And here we have our homemade popcorn. I used salt, but you can also use sugar if you want. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you all, both my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed. Bye. Love you all. Bye.